For the last decade, the global car industry has been telling people one simple story. They said gasoline engines were finished. They said electric vehicles were the only future. They said hybrids were just temporary. And yeah, they said no one could seriously improve the internal combustion engine anymore. But in 2026, that story may have changed. Because China has revealed a new hybrid powertrain that is getting attention across the world. A system claiming 48.41% thermal efficiency, very low fuel consumption, long driving range, smooth electric-style performance. This is not just another car launch. This could be a major shift in the future of transportation. Today, we are looking at how a Chinese automaker may have changed the car industry and why America should pay attention. Stay until the end, because what this means for Tesla, Incorporated, Ford Motor Company, General Motors, Japan and Europe is bigger than many people think. Let's begin. For years, many car companies said the gasoline engine had reached its limit. They focused more on EVs. And, EVs are growing fast, but there are still real problems in many markets. Charging can take time. Long road trips can be difficult. Cold weather can reduce range. Apartment charging is not easy for everyone. Some buyers still want quick refueling and flexibility. That is where advanced hybrids become important. They combine electric motors with gasoline engines. You get better fuel economy, strong acceleration, long range, and, easy refueling. Now the company getting attention is Geely Auto. They introduced a hybrid system with a claimed 48.41% thermal efficiency. That number matters because thermal efficiency measures how much fuel energy becomes useful movement. A lot of fuel energy is normally wasted as heat, so improving this number is difficult. For years, Toyota Motor Corporation was respected for highly efficient hybrid engines, around 41%. Now China is claiming much higher numbers. If true, this is a serious engineering achievement. So, how does a modern hybrid work? Well, the electric motor helps during city driving, It can assist acceleration, and it can even recover energy while braking. The gasoline engine can run when it is most efficient. Together, they really reduce waste. That is why hybrids often perform so well in daily driving. Modern systems also depend heavily on software. The car constantly decides when to use battery power, when to run the engine, when to recharge the battery, and when to maximize performance or efficiency. The smartest system often wins, and honestly, this is why software is becoming just as important as horsepower. Now, let's talk about why this matters in America. Many Americans drive long distances, and many families take road trips. A lot of people want one car that can do everything. That means a high-efficiency hybrid can be very attractive. You get low fuel use for commuting, long range for travel, and you avoid charging stress. Plus, you still get strong performance. That combination is really powerful. So, this also creates pressure for older automakers. Traditional companies now face competition from both sides, from EV makers on one side and from advanced hybrid makers on the other. That can be, pretty difficult. If buyers want the latest EV, there are options. If buyers want practical long-range hybrids, there are now more options too. So, every company must improve faster. This also matters for Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota helped make hybrids mainstream. The Toyota Prius changed the market. But, leadership in one era does not guarantee leadership forever. Every industry changes. New competitors appear. Technology moves fast. Consumers compare value. That is happening now in the auto world. So, can hybrids beat EVs? The answer is not simple. EVs will definitely continue growing, but hybrids may become very strong during the transition period, especially in places where charging is harder, and especially for buyers who want convenience, or for people who drive long distances. That means, honestly, both technologies may grow at the same time. Now let's be fair. Claimed numbers are one thing, but real-world performance is another. Reliability matters, service networks matter, safety matters, resale value matters, and long-term ownership matters too. So people should really watch real tests and long-term results. But one thing is clear. China is no longer being ignored in the car industry. It is competing seriously in batteries, in EVs, in software, and now in hybrids too. That changes the global market. The good news is, competition helps buyers. If one company improves technology, others must respond. Prices can improve, efficiency can improve, features can improve, consumers benefit. So, the real question is not whether this one engine changes everything overnight. The real question is whether it signals a bigger shift. Is China becoming a leader in the next generation of vehicles? And how will America respond? Because the future of cars is not decided yet. It is being fought over right now. If you enjoyed this breakdown of future cars technology and the global auto race, subscribe now. We cover the biggest changes shaping tomorrow's world. Leave a comment below. Would you choose a high-efficiency hybrid or a full EV? And do you think China will lead the next era of cars? See you in the next video.